I want to share with you something very important, something that when I was younger I wasn't told, something that kept me stuck in one place for years. And after finding out this info, I was able to travel to over 80 countries without spending much money. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to travel for free, or almost free. So let's get started. Hello, my friend. Welcome back to my channel. Here is someone who has traveled to more than 80 countries on all 7 continents, and I help you to travel the world with tips, tricks, hacks, and inspiring stories. Today, I will teach you how to travel the world without spending any money. Now, before we get into it, I want to tell you a quick story. When I was younger, I wanted to become an engineer, so I went to university. But I didn't enjoy being inside 4 walls. I wanted to see the world. I had a feeling deep inside me telling me, "You were meant to travel." But I ignored that voice because I thought that traveling was just for the rich. I thought that I needed to finish my studies and then get a great job, and only then could I start traveling. So I spent 2 years at university and meanwhile saved up some money and then finally quit. I bought a one-way ticket to Thailand and flew there for 3 months. During that time, I learned a lot about myself, about the world, and also met amazing people. After 3 months, I came back home, but then immediately booked another flight to Nepal. Now, many years later, I still love to travel and explore new places, and I want you to feel the same freedom that I experienced. That's why I created this guide, which shows you practical ways to travel the world without breaking the bank. So if you want to do it too, pay attention. Here are 6 smart ways to travel the world for free or close to it. Number 1. Work exchange. Thousands of hosts worldwide need help with various tasks, and in return, they offer food and accommodation. A perfect way to travel for free. There are a couple of websites where you can find work exchanges. I recommend Workaway or World Packers. Both are paid platforms, but once you sign up, you can message hosts for free. Hosts usually need help with basic tasks like working in a hostel, helping out on a farm, or teaching in a school. You offer your services and in return you get free food and accommodation. For example, on Workaway, you can find houses, hostels, and even farms all over the world that need your help. And instead, they offer you free food and somewhere to sleep. The time you spend working for the host is usually between 3 to 5 hours per day, so you have plenty of time left to explore the area. By doing this, you live like a local, save 70 to 90% of your daily costs, and build connections with locals. My friend Diana from Germany did this in Southeast Asia, and she said, "I made so many friends by helping out in a hostel, and everybody was very friendly and helpful. I was able to save a lot of money and still had enough time to explore the area." Number 2. House sitting. There are many people around the world who need someone to look after their house and pets while they are traveling. A website like Trusted House Sitters connects people looking for house sitters with those who need it. It's simple. Just sign up on the site, create a good profile, and apply to houses that interest you. If you are accepted as a house sitter, you get to stay in the house for free and often have a private pool, garden, and all the comforts of home. House sitters usually need to take care of pets and plants, collect mail and packages, and generally keep the house in order. While this is not exactly free travel, since you're not actually going anywhere, you can use this opportunity to base yourself in a new city and explore your surroundings during your free time. House sitting can be a great way to live like a local, save money, and feel the comfort of your own home while traveling. Number 3. Volunteer travel. This is my favorite type of travel. There are many organizations that rely on volunteers to help with their projects around the world. You can volunteer for humanitarian, environmental, or educational projects. It's a wonderful way to make a difference and experience a new culture. Plus, you can often reduce or eliminate your travel costs. Some examples of organizations that offer volunteer opportunities include Projects Abroad, HelpStay, and Habitat for Humanity. These organizations typically provide food and accommodation and sometimes even cover travel expenses. For example, I volunteered with an organization and helped to build houses for families who don't have their own homes. I lived with a local family and worked alongside them. It was incredibly rewarding to see the impact that our work was having on the community. Even though it was hard work, I learned a lot about construction and gained a new perspective on life. Or, my friend Paul from Australia volunteered at an elephant sanctuary in Thailand. He said, "It was amazing to be able to help care for the elephants and learn about their behavior. The work was challenging but rewarding, and I felt good knowing that I was making a positive impact." Number 4. Become a travel content creator. You don't need millions of followers to get freebies. If you're genuine, start documenting your travels on social media. As you gain more followers, you may get free stays at hotels, meals, and even travel partnerships. For example, I got invited by a hotel to stay in one of their hotels in Mexico for free simply because I documented my trip on social media. I also got a lot of freebies from companies that saw my videos and reached out to me. Don't think that you need to already be famous to do this. All you need is to start creating and posting content online, and over time, you will grow an audience. And who knows, maybe one day you will also get some freebies. And speaking of that, if you appreciate me sharing these tips with you, please consider supporting my work with a super thanks. It really helps me to continue creating more valuable content. Number 5. Scholarships and cultural exchange programs. Many universities and government programs offer fully funded or partially funded study or cultural exchange experiences. You can apply for scholarships and grants to support your travels and accommodation. For example, the Erasmus Plus program allows students from Europe to study or train abroad. It covers your travel and living costs and lasts between 3 to 12 months. The Fulbright program is a U.S. government program that offers scholarships to students, researchers and teachers to study, research and teach in the United States. The DAD is a German program that offers scholarships to students and researchers to study and conduct research in Germany. These are just a few examples of the many scholarships and grants available to help you travel the world. Number 6. Couch surfing. Couch surfing is a way of traveling that lets you stay with locals for free. All you have to do is sign up on the Couchsurfing.com website and search for people in your destination who are willing to host you. You can read their profiles and see if you would be a good fit. Then you can reach out to them and ask to stay at their place. Most people are happy to host travelers from all over the world, and it's a great way to experience a new culture from a local perspective. Plus, you can often get tips and recommendations on what to do and see from someone who knows the area well. I have been couch surfing multiple times, and I always enjoyed it. Once I couch surfed in Iceland, and my host showed me around the most beautiful places, and I wouldn't have found them on my own. And once I surfed in Turkey, and we had amazing Turkish food together and talked for hours. So if you want to travel for free, definitely try couch surfing. To sum up, you don't have to break the bank to explore the world. There are many ways to travel for free or close to it. From work exchanges to volunteer opportunities, you can find unique experiences that align with your interests and budget. Whether you want to teach English in Japan, help wildlife in Costa Rica, or explore European cities on a shoestring, there are options for everyone. With a little research and planning, you can embark on unforgettable adventures without the financial burden. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave a comment below. Let me know which tip will you use. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.